Alright, what's good, guys? I haven't actually recorded a YouTube video of me trading for a while because stuff came up and got in the way of me doing it. Either I didn't trade on the days I did record, so I just left it, or recording went wrong, just shit hit the fan. But I'm actually in my uncle's place, house sitting at the moment, and bit of an update. We're trading London session with silver futures. So yeah, I'll quickly run you through the bias. Market opened about 7 minutes ago. Okay, so basically down here we had relatively equal lows. We had a massive sweep of liquidity by here this week here. Market then came down, swept out these relatively equal lows. I marked out these lows just in case they got swept, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah, I am bullish. I do think silver is gonna try to take out these highs. I think it will take out these highs actually. So yeah, I got my checklist ready. We've got obviously this SMT divergence down here with the gold chart. This chart made obviously a low and a lower low. Silver made a low and a higher low. I am waiting for a bit more confirmation on the high time frame. So once this candle closes above this breaker structure line, obviously it's a breaker structure, and then we've marked out the 79% extension, the Fibonacci, using the Fibonacci tool up there. But all I want is a break of structure before I drop down into the lower time frames. Because when it comes to this checklist, I don't need all of them. Like if I had two from each category, that would be ideal. More, even better, but no less than two really. Until you get down to the 5 minute and the 1 minute continuation confluences. But yeah, that's what's up. Last week was also really good. 11.5k profit in 4 days. Maximum loss was 1.5k. So I'm really happy with that. I'm not gonna lie, really happy with that. Okay, well, this candle doesn't close for another 50 minutes. So once we get above it nicely, then I'll drop down and see what's going on. Let's use this fib tool again. I just measured it from this high to this low. Oh, okay. Oh, I've just moved that. That's by accident. It's fine. I'm gonna get rid of these lows anyways because I don't see it. Pardon me. My thing's playing up. It's pissing me off. This high here to this low here. Okay, whatever. Okay, so new fib line is here. Once we pass both of those, I'll drop down. But for now, it is a bit of a waiting game. I will not lie to you. What I've found with silver is that it takes a little bit to warm up right as market opens, but once it gets going, it gets going. Hopefully my phone doesn't run out of storage either, because that always happens. I'll film and then I'll run out of storage and just run the whole thing. So And yeah, we're going to be targeting these highs. We will be targeting the highs. I don't know if I have to put this high in, but I will. I like to just do it just in case, so that when I am placing a trade, I can see where all the high time highs are. What? I noticed something else as well. Oh, maybe that wasn't on silver. Where did I notice it? Not sure. I got a bad habit of swinging on this chair. It's so fun though. Whee! Shoot. Gotta do my pre-trade meditations. I'm just gonna suss out what's going on in the low time frame anyways. Start collecting my confluences. Because I do need to find still the 5 minute or the low time frame confirmation. Dude, it's so windy. I hope you guys can even hear me. Shut these windows. Turn off the fan. Alright, there we go. Now, it'll be less windy. Hopefully you guys can hear me a bit better. Oh man. Okay, well, we do have I don't know what's going on with my freaking mouse, why it's not drawing stuff properly, like, see? It's wigging out. I don't like it. I don't know what happened to my mouse. See how it doesn't follow me? I have to like click to keep it in place. So annoying, bro. Light 'em up, light 'em up. We do already have, I mean, this was during Asia session, but we do have this. 5-minute fair value gap that's just been hit before. Is it just me, or does anyone else kind of like chant to themselves? Pardon me. Like you see the market go a certain way and you start like cheering, and then you start like trying to blow the candle. Pause. I was gonna say blow the candles back up your way, like, you know. Nice. See? See? Candle went up. Okay, well, broken structure, which is good, very good. I believe, anyways. Let's just double check. Yes, we have. Well, when it closes, but that's 40 minutes away, so we'll take it. Bonk, bonk. We've got our 5-minute fair value gap get hit, because that counts as buying pressure out. It's come in, I'm seeing buying pressure out, but it's, anyways. I get a haircut. Come on, you know you want to. You know you want to. How do I fix this mouse, bro? It's so annoying. Sweet. I mean, I want to tick this off, this 79% extension. Obviously on the high time frame, it hasn't fully closed above, because I mean it's still got like 35 minutes left until it closes. But since we've closed over it on the low time frame, I'm going to count it for now. But I will leave it in just so I can see where it is. Okay. You know what? I still find interesting. Is this the high and the low, lowest point? Oh, and if you're wondering why my new Instagram name is Midnight Trades, I'll tell you exactly why. Because I've been trading from like 11:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning. When you trade NASDAQ, or not NASDAQ, but when you trade New York session in Australia on the East Coast, it's brutal. Like, it is so brutal. Hence why I'm experimenting and backtesting and trying out London session with silver. I've heard good reviews about it, and so far it's treated me well. But that's exactly why my Instagram's called Midnight Trades, because I've been trading past midnight in wee hours of the morning. It's horrible. Like, I don't mind it because I'm a bit of a night owl, but still, it ruins your sleep. And then when I make it in life, my name's still gonna be that, and people are gonna ask me like, yeah, well, back in the day, like, dude, I was working until like 4 o'clock in the morning, like, you know what I mean? Oh, the other reason I haven't been recording YouTube is because I get distracted because there's a camera there, and I wasn't taking good trades when I had a camera on me because I was distracted, my mind wasn't focused, and so last week I had a bit of a break and I traded really well. But yeah, I need to make content, so we're back. We're back. Okay, this is good because now we can probably measure equilibrium if it does want to come down. I don't think it will want to come down, to be honest. It's not ready to, but it's there. It is there in case it does. See, it's already 20 minutes into the video and it's done nothing. So what I might do is I've shown you the trade setup. This is what I'm doing. I'm bullish. I've showed you the confluences that I have already. But what I might do is I might just turn the camera off, focus. If I'm going to trade, I'll trade. And then I'll get back on and I'll kind of just go over how I traded, how I went about the trade, whether I won or lost, whatever. But I think that's a better idea because it's just, otherwise you're going to be, the video is going to last like decades, bro. But cross fingers, hopefully everything goes well, and I will keep you guys updated. Peace. Alright, sorry, it's dark now. Let me get the light. Oh yeah. Alright, what's good, guys? So, trade hit, as you can see here. I'll show you where I entered. Okay, so I entered about here, I believe, just roughly. Okay, now I need to explain something, and I'm very, very glad that let me just yeah, I'm very glad I made the right choice, because look at this. Originally, right, I had my stop loss up here, and my first take profit at this line here, at this mark, right? This would have made me 12 grand USD, right? Up here. And now I was thinking to myself, is that really necessary? I'm on a strict criteria because this is paper trading, right? So it doesn't really matter. But what matters is right now I'm sticking to a strict criteria that's gonna essentially get me a funded account, right? I'm trading as if it was a funded account. So hypothetically, if this were a funded account, right? I need a consistency rule. So I can't hit my whole take profit, right? Or my profit goal in one trade, right? That was the first thing. And the second thing is the risk to reward ratio. It's a good risk to reward ratio having, right, this here, my stop loss here, whatever. That's good, right? But instead of being greedy and putting it to 12.5 grand, I decided to lower my take profit to here, right? And as soon as I saw the candle go like this candle here, let me show you. This candle here, yeah, whatever. You get the idea. This blue candle here, right? Once I saw that go, I brought my stop loss up to here because why not? In fact, I didn't even do that. I brought it up to break even because I was almost certain that we were going to hit take profit. So in hindsight, yes, bringing my take profit all the way down with my, I can't see it, with my stop loss down here, right? It's still a decent risk to reward ratio. But anyways, so that's what I did. We hit take profit and now it looks like it's reversing. So I'm really glad. And as you can see here, we made pretty much 5.1 grand USD for this trade. And I'm gonna be so real. I'm so like happy and proud because not only have I found a strategy that works in London session, which means I can sleep instead of staying up until 4 o'clock in the morning. It's a strategy that I've tested. It's a strategy that works, and it's a strategy that is working, and it's built my confidence so much knowing that I can trade at reasonable times and still have great ROI on my time. So yeah, that was the trade for tonight. I'll leave this video here. It should be uploaded tomorrow, whatever. So yeah, that's what happened, and I don't think I'm going to take a trade. Like, this is the thing I'm trying to control, right? Is I'm trying not to get greedy, right? I see numbers and I get excited, right? But it's not always beneficial to chase more numbers because you're just risking more. And the thing I've got to remember now is that, okay, I've hit my take profit, right? We're up 5 grand for the week now, okay? On a funded account, let's go. Here it is. For a 100K funded account, my profit target is 8 grand. I've just made 5. So why would I risk losing it for the sake of just trading? I'm not gonna do it. And that taps into the psychology of trading. So I'm happy with what we did tonight. Bias was right. Patiently waited. Because obviously I could have entered down here, put my stop loss down there and gone up, but I think I made the right choice by waiting and then buying. And yeah, because that's another thing I'm trying to work on is my patience. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.